Hello everyone, welcome back, and I'm Remy, and today we are talking about 5 everyday expressions that we use in English, their usage in sentences. The first one is all the way. It means the whole distance or the whole way. Now let's see how we can put that into a sentence. Jane was late. She ran all the way to school. Another way you can use it, the car broke down and we had to walk all the way home. The second expression is as a result. It means so or consequently. Now let's see how we can put that into a sentence. She studied hard. As a result, she got an A on the test. Another way to use this is many roads were flooded and as a result there were some delays. The third expression is at a time, which means at one time or at the same time. Now let's see how we can put that into a sentence. The children went down the slide one at a time, or the elevator holds 5 people at a time. At this point, I want to remind you, kindly subscribe to my channel, and also if you liked it and if you're gaining some value out of it, then please do forward it to your friends as well. Okay, let's continue. The next expression is at first, which means initially or in the beginning. Now let's see how we can put that into a sentence. At last the sun came up over the horizon, or Robinson was home at last. And the last expression is at least, which means not less than. Let's see how we can use that in a sentence. You need to stay in bed for at least 3 days, or most people have been in love at least once. Now if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Also forward it to your friends. Thank you.